The advanced find command in Word lets you find things other than just a word or a phrase. So on the Home tab, go to the drop-down portion of the Find command, then click Advanced Find, and in the Find What, I'll type the word do. And then I'm going to click on the More button, and I'm going to tell it to find all word forms for the word do. And when I click Find Next, it finds the word does, it finds the word do, and it finds the word did. And then I'll quickly go through the document. And when it's come to the end, it tells me that it's finished the search. The next example I'll show you is not going to search for a word at all. So I'll delete the word do, and I'll uncheck this option, and I'll go to the Format button and choose Font. I'll click on Italic and choose OK, and when I click the Find Next button, it finds the words that are italicized.